Welcome to our AI development roadmap. In this video, we'll guide you through the essential steps to become proficient in artificial intelligence. First, let's start with the foundational knowledge. Understanding basic IT skills is crucial for any AI developer. This includes understanding computer hardware, basic networking concepts, and getting comfortable with command line interfaces. Next, you'll need to think. Master programming languages like Python and R. is particularly popular in the AI community due to its simplicity and extensive libraries for AI and machine learning. Math is the backbone of AI. Key areas include linear algebra and calculus, which help in understanding the algorithms behind machine learning models. Statistics and probability are essential for data analysis and understanding data distributions, which are critical in training machine learning models. Data preprocessing involves cleaning and preparing your data. This step ensures your data is in the right format and free of inconsistencies. Supervised learning includes techniques like regression and classification, where you train models on labeled data. Unsupervised learning involves clustering and dimensionality reduction, allowing you to find patterns in data without pre-existing labels. Model evaluation and validation ensure that your model performs well on unseen data. Techniques include cross-validation and metrics like precision and recall. Deep learning, which involves neural networks, is a major area in AI. Learn about different architectures like CNNs for image data and RNNs for sequential data. Natural language processing (NLP) focuses on making machines understand and generate human language, with applications in chatbots, translation, and more. Familiarize yourself with popular tools and frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch, which provide powerful capabilities for building and training AI models. Deploying your model is the final step, allowing your AI solutions to be used in real-world applications. Learn about deployment strategies and cloud services. AI is a rapidly evolving field. Engage in continuous learning through online courses, reading, and participating in AI communities. Thank you for watching. If you found this roadmap helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Stay curious and keep learning.